What is up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of DIY Workshop. So, what we're going to be doing today, as you've seen on the last episode, we did the air intake, and one of the things I'm going to show you guys that is very common with the RX-8s, and let me just turn the camera on, is this. See this? And all of this. Look at that. Oil. The RX-8 is infamous for spitting oil into the airbox. It's what's called the burp. And I need to address it because I don't want oil inside my nice and shiny air intake. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to install a catch can. It's pretty straightforward, and this kind of takes into account the stuff that I've been planning before, and you will see why. So without further ado, stay tuned and let's get into it. And here it is. Nice oil catch can in blue. Now, I wanted to originally mount it on the bracket that I had made for the battery connections, but I've changed my mind. I think it's going to be, although it fits, it's going to be too difficult to actually then, take off the bottom of the catch to drain the oil and stuff. So I'm going to make a little bracket to attach here, and I'm going to place it like this. It doesn't get in the way of anything, and it's easily accessible. So I just need to get a little bit of the thick aluminum that I have, make 2 holes here, just move this out of the way. Yeah, make 2 holes here so that the plate can go in, bend it a little bit so that this then stays here, and then maybe a second tab, maybe in a V shape, so that it doesn't flap about, but I'll see. That's the plan. And there it is. Now, I don't like the idea that it's a bit wobbly, but it's because the metal here itself is a bit wobbly. But now with the pipes connected to here, it might give it a little bit more stability. We'll see. I wanted to get these ones in yellow to connect, but didn't have them, so I got the best next thing, which is going to be blue. So yep, let's install those. So here it is. Just open this up. And there you go. 10 millimeter internal diameter silicone pipe. This is not rated to run oil at all times, but because it's oil catch can, it's not going to cause an issue. What I'm going to do now is just measure this and then cut it. and there you go. It's a bit flimsy. I might try and figure out something, maybe a zip tie somewhere, but I don't think that this is going to be in the way of anything. I need to tighten these up a little bit because this is a bit wobbly here. But now what I can do is I can just unscrew this little bit here, check the oil level, see if it's full or not, and if it's full, then I can just untwist this, and once this all unscrews, I need to take the oil out, either from here or from here, and just screw it back up again. Nicely done. Well, there you have it. That's all I have for you guys today. So you know the drill. Hit like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and I will see you next time. Take care.